welcome to the Fundamentals of Roundabout Design. My name is Rachel Price and roundabouts are one of my favorite things to talk about. I got involved in my first design in 2001 and now I love sharing lessons that I've learned in the past 20 years. I am active in roundabout discussions on the national level as a member of the Transportation Research Board Roundabout Committee, and most recently I became a panel member on the NCHRP project that is updating the Roundabout Guide. This class is for anyone who wants an overview of roundabouts and a deeper understanding of the design process and decisions that make up the backbone of good design. As engineers, we are used to balancing factors for safety, cost, and capacity in all of our projects. And the great thing about roundabouts is that their inherent characteristics help us focus on safety. Roundabouts are decreasing fatal and serious injury collisions, and that is a great thing. So how do we leverage these inherent characteristics and optimize the safety so our roundabouts even exceed these safety statistics without adversely affecting capacity or making the intersection cost prohibitive? And that is one of the main goals of this class, learning actual techniques to optimize designs for safety and efficiency. To accomplish this goal, we will first look at the benefits of roundabouts. This answers the questions, why would you ever consider a roundabout and where would you consider placing one? This is a discussion that's great to have straight in your own mind so that you can engage with the general public, and it comes up more often than you would think. Next, we will look into the roundabout geometrics. What is truly involved in a full roundabout design and the importance of these elements working together to influence motorists to drive appropriately. What is truly involved in a full roundabout design, and how important is it that these elements work together to influence motorists to drive appropriately? And finally, on that first day, we will talk about how you can know if your roundabout is going to operate successfully when it's constructed. We call this validating our designs, hence the hearts, to make sure that the intersection will safely and efficiently accommodate those who plan to use it. These intersections are all for public use, so we need to know the who and the how and make that very clear in our designs. The next section, we will continue to dive a little deeper into the roundabout design. We will talk about how to effectively design for the non-motorized user. We are no longer in the era that focuses exclusively on vehicular traffic, but rather we want to use the public right-of-way in a way that creates community and encourages alternate mode of transportation. And I think that's one of the exciting things about roundabouts. Once you have your geometric set, it is time to supplement with your signing and striping and landscaping. These elements can be used to enhance the operation and safety of your roundabouts, provided that you are starting with solid geometrics. So these elements are not going to fix any geometric problems that hopefully we have figured out how to avoid on the first day. And then as roundabouts increase in complexity, there are challenges to preserve the safety of the intersection. We will discuss the common collisions that these multi-lane roundabouts face and some of the ways to minimize them on your project and maybe avoid them when your roundabout is operating. And finally, we will discuss the role of technology and tools in roundabout design. You will learn about one tool in particular that helps with geometric design, analysis of vehicle path, speed analysis, and sightline analysis. As you see, we have an exciting slew of topics to discuss that will serve to give you an overview of how roundabouts fit within our roadway network and help you in your current or future roundabout projects. I hope you'll join me